When running a dropshipping business, one of the most important elements is understanding how to track your orders and manage refund policies efficiently. In Spocket, you can view the order status directly, and sometimes you will see that the status shows as refund. This indicates that the order is part of Spocket's new refund policy for dropshipping suppliers. This new policy helps sellers better manage situations when customers request a refund or when a shipment faces an issue. The policy is structured according to specific plans and order statuses. Each plan defines how refunds are processed, what steps need to be followed, and what timeline applies. It is important to always remember that you have 7 days to request a refund completely free of charge. This time frame allows you to act quickly in case of any problem with the order or product. However, not all items are eligible for a refund. Normal refund plans cover most products, but certain special items are excluded. Products that are already fully processed or delivered successfully cannot be refunded once the completion process is confirmed. That means after the order is marked as completed, no refund can be applied to it. Keeping these rules in mind will help you better understand Spocket's refund and order tracking system. By mastering these details, you can make your dropshipping business easier to manage, provide better customer service, and maintain higher profitability with fewer disputes and delays. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.